Hi, this video is a quick run through of the Mockup factory generator wood engrave settings. No one setting is specific for any particular wood type, as output results will depend on many things such as lighting exposure, texture and your engrave style that you wish to represent. Some makers like to achieve a deep dark burn, then some wood types you get a better result with a lighter engrave with a more subtle burn. So hopefully you'll be able to choose from one of our range that suits you best.
Setting 1 is usually one of the first settings that I test. This setting gives a deep engraved look and is great for a variety of woods and works well with most photo lighting. This gives your engrave a nice warm tone with a super crisp effect. Setting 2 really emphasises your engrave. It gives a subtle glow around the burn that makes your design pop. This also works well if your photography is dark and moody, but also works well if your photo templates are bright and sunny. Setting 3 is quite a subtle setting. This is great for softer woods where you only want a soft light engrave but still gives your design a clean, crisp look. Setting 4. This setting is very different and targeted to very light wood and photography lighting. This setting has quite an overburn, but on extra light wood like poplar and photography that has bright exposure, it's very representative of how the real finished product will look once engraved and sanded. Setting 5. This is very similar to setting 4, but will give you an amazing effect on a wider range of products. Setting 6 also gives you a medium depth engrave with warm undertone. This works well on cooler tone photography where you would like your engrave to have a toasty warm finish. Setting 7 is great for woods that you can get quite a deep engrave but has a lighter colour burn such as Palowina. Setting 7 represents this beautifully. Setting 8. So this is not a setting you may use often unless you're engraving on very dark wood. It has a very dark undertone and adds an almost kiss cut effect. But using this on acacia wood and walnut and other dark woods gives a lovely dark depth with a defined outline. Setting 9 is another good all-rounder and is one of our most popular used settings. Perfect for all lighting photography and woods, it gives a slightly deeper effect than setting 1 but also gives really lovely results. Setting 10 is a medium depth effect with slightly warmer engraved colour for a clear realistic result.
We understand everybody works differently and all engraving machinery give different results. So if you're struggling to get the effect you like, please don't hesitate to get in touch. We can work with you to get a setting added that truly represents your engraving style and technique. As makers, we know how frustrating and time consuming getting settings to look realistic is, so we're here to help.